Hey everybody, David Nielsen here with Platinum Idaho Real Estate, and I'm really excited to share with you our newest listing in Meridian. This property is located in the La Mirada subdivision, which is just off of Meridian Road and near Chinden. And it's also known as Hacienda subdivision, so the whole entire subdivision has a little bit of a southwest feel throughout it. But this home in particular, with this beautiful courtyard and the entryway and everything like that, really has kind of a unique feel for it. It's on a corner lot, and it's so close to everything. You're close to shopping and schools and healthcare. You got the Fred Meyer. You're going to have the new Costco just down the street. So it's a fantastic location, really, really quiet neighborhood. And one of the unique things about the La Mirada subdivision is that all of the exterior landscaping and watering is completely taken care of for you. So if you're looking for something that's like single level, pretty much a brand new house, because the couple that lived here before, single couple, didn't have any children, and took very, very good care of the home. So it's in great shape, and you don't have to worry about any exterior landscaping maintenance. It's the perfect house for you. But I think you're going to love the inside, so let's step inside and I'll give you the grand tour. Before I step inside and give you the grand tour, I just wanted to show you the exterior of the house. So all of this is common area, so this berm and everything. So the HOA maintains all of this. I believe they're going to plant a couple of additional trees here, because there was a pine tree that had died, and so they're going to plant some other trees here in the springtime. But that's going to be a nice little screen for that private courtyard here. But yeah, really well maintained throughout, and like I said, the HOA does maintain all of your exterior landscaping, even right up to the house. As I mentioned, one of the really neat features of this home is this little courtyard. It's really quite private. You've got the windows here, and then this whole wall that just kind of surrounds it with the gate. So you could set up a nice little courtyard, have a little umbrella and some shade, and really enjoy that extra additional outside living space. And then, all right, as you enter in the home, first off to your left is what they have right now staged and what they used as an office. In fact, I wanted to point out that this can very easily be a third bedroom. It was actually originally designed as a third bedroom, and it's just a matter of, framing this in and putting a door here, because you do have, the nice big windows here, and you've also got the full closet and everything here. But yeah, this would actually be a third bedroom. And then of course, as you come, one of the things I love about this house is there's I think 3 different little art niches here. And so you've got these places to, highlight and display some focal points and some beautiful artwork. But as you come down the hallway here, this is where you've got your second bedroom and a full bath. So this bedroom would make a great guest bedroom, especially if you want to have that full bath adjacent to it in kind of a separate part of the house, because as you'll see, the master is all the way in the back of the home. But here you've got a really nice big vanity, and the oval tub with the acrylic surround. And as we back out here, we come back into the hallway. Just across from this little area here is we've got a coat closet there, and then you come down here. I want to point out that all of the flooring is, I think, looks like 4-inch quarter sawn oak, I believe, natural finish. It's really beautiful throughout. Here, just past the front entryway, you've got the laundry room, and inside of the laundry room, I wanted to point out that you've got this little storage area here, so just additional storage for your brooms and mops and cleaning products and stuff like that. Kind of nice to have that out of the way. And then just off of the laundry room, you have, of course, your garage. And the garage is it's a 2-car garage. It's nice and deep though, and it's very clean. Like I said, this was a single couple that lived here, kept the house, and took very good care of it. You've got, of course, some shelving and stuff there if you want to stick things up above. And then here's a little bit of cabinet space underneath your laundry room sink, as well as above the washer and dryer. So now we'll step into the main area of the house. So this is my favorite part, because when you come in here, I'm point out this little art niche to the right, but as you come in here, it's just so open and so bright and airy. And so you've got beautiful granite countertops and lots of cabinet space, plenty of work lighting here with the task lighting underneath the cabinets, and then the pendant lights here, and then of course the dining room, and then this big open living room. And I like, speaking of the Southwest feel, I mean, the colors here are very neutral, but then you've got like these little touches here, like the fireplace, where it's sort of trimmed out to give that, sort of a Santa Fe look here. in the living space. As we come over here to the left, this is where we walk over to the master suite. So it's kind of offset here, this little nook, and then you come in here to the master suite. It's a very good sized master suite. I love the transom windows and the can lighting above here. And then there's the window looking out to the backyard. There's room for a sitting area or, treadmill, exercise bike, whatever you want to do, and that nice little bay window there. And then just around here is where we would come in to the master bathroom. And of course, the master bathroom, you've got your nice dual vanities here and a really pretty good sized master closet, very symmetrical and evenly divided, his and hers. So there's the master closet, and then of course the private commode with a pocket door. I want to point out this as well, but in the master bathroom you've got this huge oversized shower, and this is really unique. But so look at the size. I mean, it's a good sized shower to begin with. So beautiful tile work, couple of a little stool bench there, then a couple of things for your toiletries in the corner. And then you've also got, and there's no door on it. So think about not having a door in your master shower. You don't have to clean it, but you do have like a place to put your towels and slippers or a little bench there, just to kind of dry off before you step out and get ready. So I think that's a really cool shower. I absolutely love it. And it's a little great addition to this master suite. Okay, and then we're going to step back outside here, and let's just take a quick peek into the backyard. We already looked at the front yard. So as I mentioned again, this whole subdivision, they maintain all of the exterior landscaping for you. So the backyard has this really cute little patio that's pretty private, and so easy maintenance there. And then this is the space perfect to set up a barbecue. I wanted to point out there at the bottom that you do have a gas outlet there. And yeah, just great little space, private feeling. And then of course you've got they've got an apple tree that they planted back there, and this fencing along there. And then I think they're going to plant some additional landscaping on the other side of that wrought iron fence that you see here. But it's nice and it's easy to maintain, and it's quiet and cute. All right, so this is our newest listing in Meridian. The address is 5901 Beaham Avenue. It's in the La Mirada subdivision. And again, if you've been watching the market in Boise, you know how challenging it is to find something in the 400 range or just under, let alone something that is in as good as condition as this home is. So as always, if you'd like additional information or you'd like to schedule a tour, please feel free to reach out to me at the contact information shown, or you can always check us out at PlatinumIdaho.com.